Shikun and Binui is a leading global infrastructure and renewable energy company involved in hundreds of projects in more than 20 countries across 4 continents. Offering pumped storage solution, clean and immediate power under your control. Generating electricity from clean energy sources such as solar and wind power can often lead to an energy mismatch between production capacity and market demand. Therefore, peak demand may remain unanswered due to low production capacity, and peak production may not be necessary in cases of low market demand. Let's take a closer look. While maximum power is produced from renewable resources during certain hours of the day, the demand curve follows a pattern of its own. Without a viable option to store surplus power at utility scale, this discrepancy between production and demand is reflected in wasted resources, loss of revenue, and instances of grid instability. With no viable solution for storing energy at utility scale for shifting power produced to when it is really needed, there will always be a power supply-demand mismatch and inefficient use of power resources. Introducing Shikun and Binui's pumped storage plant solution. Shikun and Binui can plan, develop, finance, construct, and operate a pumped storage plant. A pumped storage plant is one of the most efficient and cost-effective systems for storing energy at utility scale and releasing it immediately and perfectly when the existing power generators cannot meet the peak demand. It stores energy for increased demands while ensuring a stable baseload for the power grid. Here's how it works. A pumped storage plant requires 2 reservoirs located at different levels, complementing the natural environment. The reservoirs are linked by conduits and shafts that can be opened and closed at will. The rest of the plant can be built underground or on the surface. When electricity is in demand, the gates are opened and water from the upper reservoir flows through, activating the turbines and generating electric power, much like any other hydroelectric power plant, reaching full production in only 90 seconds. When power production is greater than market demand, surplus electricity is used to reverse the turbines. Water is pumped back into the upper reservoir to store as potential energy, like a giant naturally charged battery. The pumped storage plant provides the flexibility needed to balance production and demand for power. Power can be bought and stored when prices are low, and then produced and sold when prices are high. This solution is highly beneficial on a number of levels. It is environmentally clean. Total and immediate control of scheduling power delivery and power production is guaranteed. Grid stability is assured. Efficiency and flexibility dramatically reduce costs and waste. The innovative pumped storage plant solution is a major breakthrough that ensures that power supply and demand are optimally balanced.